If you want to insert a SIM card on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, you need to prepare the eject tool that we have, for example, inside the box. At the bottom of the phone, you will find the SIM tray over here. And now, on the left side, we also have this hole. We need to insert the eject tool into that hole and just use a little bit of force in order to slightly to take out the SIM tray, just a little bit. With just a little bit of force, you should be able to pop out this SIM tray, and by using fingers or fingernails, you should be able to remove the SIM tray pretty easily. Now, after that, of course, we have our SIM slot. It looks like this, and we need to match the shape of the slot in order to insert the SIM card. So it looks like this. You should hear a little click once you fully insert the SIM card. It should not stick out at all, so make sure that it doesn't. Let's see. It is actually sticking to my fingers. There we go. And now it is fully in. As you can see, it doesn't stick out even slightly. Make sure that your SIM card also doesn't stick out. And after that, we can insert the SIM tray back into the phone. There we go. Push it fully in. If it doesn't want to go in, you can try to rotate the SIM tray because you might try to insert it in the wrong way. And also make sure that, once again, the SIM card is fully inserted into the SIM slot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.